Hey, good evening. Tonight's video, man, it's taken a while to try to make this one. Life keeps getting in the way. But I'm gonna make crab cakes in the Emeril Airfryer. And this video is not so much what my crab cake recipe consists of. It's how the Emeril Airfryer cooks the crab cakes. There are two important factors for making crab cakes. They have to be cold. So once you have your mayo, breadcrumbs, egg, you got that mixed, you put the lump crab meat in there and you kind of combined all of that, put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours and let it get firm. Take it out, make your patties, put it back in the refrigerator for a little while and let them firm up nice, and then they're much easier to handle. So I've got crab cakes in the refrigerator and we're gonna cook them in this Emeril Airfryer. There's quite the temperature range for doneness of crab cakes. I read anywhere from 145 to 165. I want a nice brown, golden brown crunch on the outside of my crab cake. So I'm gonna put a thermometer in these crab cakes and I'm gonna put it in the largest one and monitor. Once it hits 145, I'm gonna start going by visual. If they look nice and golden brown after they hit 145, I'm taking them out. May even have to let them go up to 165, who knows. We'll see how these cook, and I'm sure they're gonna be tasty no matter what. Let's give it a try. Okay, I set the time for 45 minutes. The default temperature for air fry is 400, so we're gonna preheat this, and when it's preheated, we'll put in the crab cakes. All right, she's on her way. Okay, that Emeril Airfryer is preheated. I sprayed my air fry basket with this ghee oil. We're gonna put the crab cakes in here, put them in the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna put these in. Air fry, 2, 3, and 4, air fry. That's where we've got the basket. We're gonna go by temperature, and that's 15 minutes. Okay, we're 20 minutes in. It smells like a seafood restaurant in here. We're at 150 on the big ones. So these are about done. We'll take them out in a minute. Okay, we're 25 minutes in. Crab cakes 165. Now we're gonna take these out. Hey, those look pretty good. Those crab cakes were in the Emeril Airfryer 25 minutes, and they look pretty tasty. Plate these up and have a taste. Okay, we've got the Emeril Airfryer crab cakes. I got the homemade cocktail sauce with my homemade horseradish. All right, I'm ready. Those came out good. They're crunchy on the outside, just like I expected them to be and hoped they would be. Those are good. What I would do next time, I'd give like a little spray of the ghee oil or a spray butter, or give them a little coating on the outside of the patty. So that way they get a darker brown, crispier texture. But these are good and very easy and economical. 10,000 watts in my regular oven versus 1,500 watts in the Emeril Airfryer. Emeril Airfryer, it's the way to go. Oh, these are very good. I give 2 thumbs up to the Emeril Airfryer for crab cakes. The healthy choice. This was not a crab cake recipe video. If you want my recipe, ask in the comments and I'll be more than happy to give it to you. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Cheers, and stay safe during this COVID thing because it's not over. Thanks for watching.